everyone, Eric Andrews here. This week I want to talk about something I think is very, very cool. Now, it used to be that alarm systems were really just to protect your home. But over the course of time, a big priority has been on just improving your life and fitting your lifestyle. And so one of the main features of that has been favorites. Now, when we train our customers on their system, there's only so much time we have because you have to get back to living your life and you don't want us in your house all day, which makes sense. So what I'll do is I'm going to expand on this real quick. Now, what I am is logged into the virtual keypad app, right? It's basically an app that I can either have on my phone or log in like I am now on my browser. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to favorites. Now, what favorites is if I have a light, a lock, a thermostat, a garage door controller, anything that's tied to my system that's a Z-Wave device that we installed, what I'm able to do is set up something called if this, then that. So a good example of that is my dogs have a light that I have a Z-Wave light for them when I let them out to potty at night. That light is physically located downstairs, which is super annoying. So what I did is I went in and made a favorite that basically said, hey, when I open up my back door, turn that light on for 10 minutes and then automatically turn off. So what's nice is I don't have to go downstairs and turn the light on. I don't have to pull my phone out at all. I just open up my back door, let the dogs out, light comes on, and then turns off for me. So the other cool thing about having a favorite is that it also turns into a widget. So I'm going to expand on this a little bit. And I can have this favorite as a widget. You see there, light on, light off. So even if I don't open up that back door, I can still have it on my phone. I can even use Siri to give it a command as well. So that's all I have this week. I want to talk about the app and favorites. Let us know if you have any questions. We'd love to make sure that you guys have a really good understanding of everything your system can do. Have a good week.